Hey, this will be a video chart on QASP. Want to get this one updated as I got some requests for it, and it's unfortunately made another leg to the downside. So want to get things updated as they need to be. Video won't be too long, as like I said, I'm just going to do some updates. But nonetheless, let's just get started. These two green lines you see were from one of the other times I did a video chart on this. I'm not sure when, can't remember to be honest, but they were green because at one point they were supports, and the one still is, but unfortunately this line right here, which had been doing a very good job of holding that support, as you can see, just multiple times, the bulls just fought, but unfortunately today, they finally lost the battle, and the bears were able to, get below it. But the more important thing is they separated from it, so that's kind of what made it a break. There were some times where it closed below it, but there was never really any price separation. But that was the case today. So the first update on the chart needs to be this, just turning into red to represent resistance, and that's essentially the key resistance right now that you want to see the price get back above. The 10-day simple moving average, which is this blue line right there. You can see it's basically right at the value of this line, which is at 0.0101. So that's going to be the key resistance area now. Now, if we scrunch up the chart, you can see where I'm getting these supports from, and as you can see, just from how much I've had to scrunch up the chart, these levels haven't been seen for a long time. But that initial support level was defined right here, and right here, and then like I said, just a bunch of times right here it held up. But this new support level is being taken from these lows all the way over here, which is right around 0.013, or actually we're talking about 0.008, excuse me. So 0.008 is going to be the new key area of support, and then the next one after that is going to be right in this area here, which is right at the about 0.0065 area. So I'm going to add this support in here now. So these are going to be the new two key areas of support. Once more, this top line, which I think it bounced off of today, what was today's low, was at 0.008. So that was good to see that this support did hold up fine today. But if this one doesn't hold, then the next price target, because that is the next support level, is going to be down here at about 0.0065, give or take a little bit. Now, if you look down here at volume, this is the other thing that's not, the greatest in the world to see. It was pretty big, so it's not like this was a downfall on very low volume. Maybe, hopefully, this was some sort of capitulation day, and we'll get some sort of bounce. I think the last time I did it was on this day, and I talked about how, we had big volume, so maybe now it was ready for a little bit of a bounce. Hopefully that's the case here too. Like I said in other videos, the stock has a very big history of bouncing, but unfortunately nothing really ever comes of it. We have a bounce here. We had here was a little bounce. There was another bounce. There was a bounce that I had talked about. So maybe we'll get another one here where it comes up and gives this gold line a test. But we'll have to see. But for now, a pretty disappointing day. And for the people that are in this for the longer term, like I said, 0.008 is now the new key level, and if that doesn't hold, then look for the price slowly probably drift down to the 0.0065 level, as that will be the next key area of support. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it's all free. We've been making some good money with our trade alerts and so forth. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One last time, this was QASP. Thanks for listening, and have a good weekend.